children! Today we will draw and learn English. Let's draw Kuromi Unicorn together. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we draw Kuromi's eyes. Right eye, left eye. Now draw Kuromi's nose. A small, cute nose. Now draw Kuromi's smiling mouth. A happy smile. Kuromi has a happy smile. Next, we draw Kuromi's head. A big round head. Kuromi's head. This is Kuromi's head. Say it again. Kuromi's head. Say it with me. This is Kuromi's head. Now, let's draw the unicorn horn. A unicorn horn, tall and shiny. This is Kuromi's unicorn horn. Say it together. Unicorn horn. Now, draw Kuromi's hair. Soft, colorful hair. Hair around the horn. Say it again. Colorful hair. Next, draw Kuromi's ears. Right ear. Left ear. Say it with me. Right ear. Left ear. Now, draw Kuromi's costume. Kuromi's funny costume. This is the costume. Say it with me. Kuromi's funny costume. This is the costume. Let's draw Kuromi's arms. First, the right arm. Now, the left arm. Say it again. Right arm, left arm. Now, draw Kuromi's body. This is Kuromi's body. Let's draw Kuromi's legs. First, the right leg. Now, the left leg. Say it again. Right leg, left leg. Now draw the unicorn tail. A beautiful rainbow tail. This is Kuromi's tail. Let's add some shapes around Kuromi. A heart. A star. Another heart. Another star. One more star. Great job! Now it's coloring time. Let's color the horn, the hair, the costume, the tail, the hearts, and the stars. Well done, everyone! This is Kuromi Unicorn. Say it with me. Kuromi Unicorn. Don't forget to check my Draw and Learn English playlist. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.